Hi everyone, my name is Melinda Drew. I'm from St. John, New Brunswick, Canada, and I just wanted to tell you about this 32-piece presser set from Madame So. It is absolutely amazing. All the pieces are in their own little case here, and they fit in snugly. And I love how they all just snap right on to my machine. I do not need to actually unscrew anything at all. But this 32-piece set, I feel that I can tackle any project now. Before, I was nervous to try cording on any type of couch cushion or any other type of cushion. And now I feel like I can do it, and I actually want to try. My favorite feature is actually the overcast foot. It's so that I can sew something along the edges like this serge without actually having a serging machine, which is way too costly. And I got this a couple months ago for Christmas actually, and since then I have made a few baby blankets, receiving blankets, and even cloth diapers. I would recommend this 32-piece presser foot set to everyone because each one is so different. You never know when you're going to need a different foot, and they're just there and ready to go. I recommend this to everybody. So please go check it out for yourself. You will not regret it.